Presentations are a part of everything, whether it's sharing ideas, marketing a product, or conducting a training session. While text and image generative AI tools are a great help while creating presentations, they can still be time consuming. But guess what? We've got some exciting news to save you time and spark your presentation ideas. In this lesson, we're diving into the impressive world of Tome App, a generative AI tool that will truly amaze you. Tome App is a generative AI based web application that allows you to create presentations with text and images based on your prompts. You can use it to generate narratives, stories, pitches, or any other kind of presentation you need. To try Tome, head to tome.app and you'll be directed to the following page. Present in the middle of the screen, click on Try Tome. You can either continue with Google or enter your email address. I'll continue with Google. Once you have added details about your name and the kind of role that you have, you'll be directed to the page where Tome will ask you to create your workspace. Now, you can enter your workspace name. For example, I will enter the name MySpace. Once done, you can continue to Workspace. Now, Tome offers you plans to choose from. Either choose the basic plan, which is free to use, or subscribe to the Pro plan, which is a paid version for Tome.app. Let's stick to the basic plan and click on Continue. And you'll arrive at the home page of Tome.app. On the left-hand side, you have the panel with various options to receive notification, to see your recent creation, your personal space of the spaces shared with you, the space that you've created, templates, and the deleted items. You can also invite your teammates on your Tome.app workspace. In the middle of the screen, you can see that you have various templates on the kind of presentation that you wish to create. You can also create mood boards, reports, and do several other things using the various tools provided by Tome. But for now, on the right-hand side of the screen, click on Create. As you can see, you get various options here. You can create image, upload an image, search images from the web, or you can convert a document into a presentation. You can create a presentation or in fact even a page regarding the topic that you wish. We wish to create a presentation, so let's click on Create a Presentation About. In the text box present in the middle of the screen, you need to enter a prompt regarding the presentation that you wish to create. I wish to create a sales pitch for a vacuum cleaner called Clean Kit. Hence, I'll enter the prompt, a sales pitch for a vacuum cleaner called Clean Kit consisting of its features, what makes it different, and where it stands in the market. Remember the rules of prompting that we learned in Module 2. The detailed your prompt, the better would be the outcome. So make sure you enter the prompt with as many details as possible. Once you're happy with your prompt, on the right-hand side of your text box, you can select the number of pages that you wish to see in your PPT. I wish to see 8 pages, so I'll select the length to be 8. You can customize it as per your requirement. Once that is done, click Enter. And just within a few seconds, Tome.app generates a suitable outline for my PPT. Here, you can edit the title as well as the headings for your slides. I'll edit the title as per my requirement. Once you're happy with the changes, you can click on Continue, or else you can also click on the Regenerate icon and it will generate a fresh set of title and headings for your slides. I'll click on Continue. And as you can see, Tome.app quickly starts generating your presentation. You can go through all the slides one by one to see what Tome.app has generated for you. On the left-hand side, I have the list of slides, while on the right-hand side, I have a few features. Let's try them. Clicking on the first feature, you get various options. You can add text, image, video, GIFs, tables, and much more to your slides. For example, I wish to add an image here. All I'll do is click on plus button, click on image. Now here, you can either create your own image or upload one. Let's create an image. Tome.app is powered with DALL-E. That means it can generate images based on your prompts. So enter a suitable prompt regarding the kind of image that you wish to see. For example, I wish to see a vector representation of a table of contents. So I'll enter a suitable prompt, which is a 2D vector representation for table of contents. And Tome.app quickly generates 4 images for you. You can select the one that you like, click on Advanced Settings, and you get the option to exclude certain things from your images. This acts like a negative prompt. So you can enter the details about everything that you don't want to see in your image. And you can also set the dimensions of your required image. For now, I'll set the dimension to be portrait and then click on Generate. Out of the generated options, you can click on the one that you like the most, or else you can change the prompt and generate a few more images. Once you're happy with the image, you can go ahead and customize this image. You can adjust it. You can put a caption on it as well, at the top and at the bottom. Let's explore the other features which are offered by Tome.app. Well, Tome.app is a one-stop tool that will help you generate your PPTs as well as record your voice and, if required, your face too. Isn't that amazing? Let's explore what more it has to offer. With the Set Theme feature, you can set the theme for your PPT or for a given page. For example, I wish to set the theme light. So all I have to do is click on light and the changes are made instantly. I can change the heading type, its colors, and do whatever that I wish to do with my PPT. This provides me with a greater control and customizations. Well, the list of features does not end here. You can also work around with the content created by Tome.app if you don't like it. All you have to do is select the required content and you can either put it in headings, make it bold, italics, underline, and in fact, with its AI edit feature, you can rewrite the entire content, reduce its length, or even extend it. For example, I wish to reduce the length. So all I have to do is select the content and click on reduce. And Tome.app quickly generates the required content for me. Wasn't that super easy? Once you're done with all the changes that you wish to see in your PPT, you can share this PPT with all your colleagues using the link and also grant them the access to either comment or just view this PPT. With the play button present at the rightmost corner of the screen, you can play your slideshow for anyone. Moreover, you can also play your slideshow in full screen. Wasn't this just super easy? The presentation generated using Tome.app can easily serve as a base for your PPT creation endeavors. You can use these presentations directly in case you are running short of time or use the ideas that it presents to create your own presentation. You will have to make a few customizations if you wish to use the PPT generated by Tome.app, but with its editing tools, the customizations can take place easily. For now, Tome.app offers a freemium subscription model. You can explore its several features even with the free version, just like we did. While with the paid subscription, You can download the generated presentation as PDF, remove the Tome.app watermark, and even add customized logos too. Needless to say, you can easily use Tome.app for generating quick sales pitch, creating product launch presentations, making education and training PPTs, designing project reports, crafting unique design portfolios, and much more. In fact, we created the presentation for this lesson using Tome.app only. Isn't this just amazing? Well, apart from Tome.app, some other tools that can help you generate PPT are slides.ai, Slides Go, Magic Slides, etc.